Alright guys, I said it in one of my other videos with the Whataburger app. This one's the Chick-Fil-A app. Again, my videos are not here to make you go out of your way to sign up for rewards or do anything that you're probably not already doing. But if you eat Chick-Fil-A, you're already doing it. Sign up for this app, scan your barcode, and get free Chick-Fil-A stuff. How much better, what better things could you possibly ask for? So you can see I've been a member since they were last updated in December. I don't do this app just because it's hooked up on my wife's, and she's the one that gets all the free rewards. So she always scans it. She's the one that always remembers. So I let her just keep this one going. But you can see this. I've already got 200 available points. Now we'll see what we can actually go for. You can see they've got some news. They got your point system going on here. You can see when you're a member. You can see you get $1 is equal to 10 points. So for every dollar you spend, you'll earn 10 points. Use those points to get free stuff. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So anyway, let's go to redeem. Let's see what you guys can get. Hey, I haven't even done anything. I don't think I've ever scanned this. I think it's just for signing up, or maybe, I don't even know if maybe referring somebody. I don't know if that's actually part of this, but I get a free cookie, hash brown cone, or a free medium or small waffle fries. Awesome, heck yeah. So again, for $1 for 10 points, you would get some of these rewards pretty quick. But you can see you can get drinks to Chick-fil-A chicken biscuits, to lemonade, to their fruit cups. Look at a chicken sandwich, 500 points for a chicken sandwich. It's not gonna take long to hit that at all, guys. So awesome. So you go there, you hit your scan of your barcode, boom, it's right down here, boom. They've got that right in front of their kiosk, their point of sale system, and you just scan. And of course, after you spend, you go there and you spend your $20, you're gonna get 200. You're gonna get 200 points for that just alone. So that's awesome. Well, again, free Chick-fil-A. What could be better? Anyway, that's about it. You could search through the menu, you could find a restaurant, go through the rewards, use your barcode to scan. Download the app. It's not hard. It's not anything intrusive. You're probably eating there already, so get some free stuff while you're at it. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. It's another goofy video out there, but nonetheless one that rewards you for doing something you're already doing. There's nothing better to add that makes you feel like you're getting a deal or you're saving something for doing. Now, yeah, they might monitor some stuff, but it doesn't bother me at all. They're going to monitor you anyway if they want to, if you ask me. So anyway, but this is, if you like this video, I've done one on the Whataburger app. This is now the Chick-fil-A app. If you like deals like that, the things that you're already doing, go check out my other videos for the Ebates and Shop Kicks. Those show you how to actually get rewards for doing things, shopping you're already doing, whether it be scanning a receipt or scanning items in the store, or just even literally walking in stores. They give you free money and gift cards or your PayPal account, whatever you want. So go watch those videos if you like how to save money like I do. Anyway, but I do a video a day for a year showing you the YouTube process. Can you hit 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours? Can we do it? It's tough, but if there's anything you guys like, please hit that subscribe button down below and help my channel out. So anyway, hope you guys like it. Come back and check for more. See you guys.